Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense cell without affecting the entire column in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. Firstly, going to the table border option and click for the white option and click the 6 pt. Then click the all border, bottom border, top border, left, right, and outside border and inside border and inside horizontal border. Then any click. Then color is then LSS color option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.